institutions. You have highlighted
what we need to do is to differentiate between the church and the president of the conference, the president of the union, and all those people. We include in that same session election. The people who are sitting in that setup are not qualified to talk about the professional things. They are qualified to talk about spiritual things. Are we together? It doesn't mean that we remove spiritual things when we are managing our institution, but we need to have a clear balance. Let's not have our institution leaders coming in as collateral discussion. We need somebody to manage Kingdom Mission Hospital. But we go on a round table, wacha tukupatie ukuwe president, huyu tupatie kuwa secretary general, tupatie kuwa treasurer, but for you, let's give you as the manager of Kingdom Mission Hospital as an institution. Let's get professionals who are Adventists, who are within the education system, and let the vice chancellor, not a pastor.
Okay, to the shepherds in the ground, I hope you're listening to the flock. It's hot.
God is good all the time.
1 minute.
Thank you so much. I think one thing I've been raised here, and I want us to learn from the Catholics. I've interacted with them a little bit, and I've worked in the arid areas of Kenya, and for them, they have an independent body, a whole organization that runs. If anyone has heard about Caritas, Caritas is a Catholic institution that one time I told them I can offer my service as an engineer to help you do 1-2 things. Look at that. Once I wrote a mail to, there's an institution in Adventist that does that. Until today, I've not been communicated, but for them, they're okay. So we need to have that. That organization manages, builds, plans, and everything on issues of development for the Catholics. For the first time, I admire the Catholics so much. If I tell you what they are doing boreholes, they are doing everything. Let me ask for more quality. The question that I've asked ourselves, most of us are Kenyans. Let's ask ourselves, standards. Because of why? We compromise ourselves on issues of quality and everything, and we settle for less. You go for an Adventist institution, you ask yourself, me. That's a quality thing. You go for somewhere, you're being told, hey, we should not settle for less. As AACU, I don't work in an Adventist institution. So as AACU, let's settle for a quality thing. If you are going for a mic like this, let's involve an electrical engineer who knows that a mic, the quality is ABC. It won't be unapitisha, I don't know sounds. Please, wherever you are, we will change AACU if me and you settle for quality. Because tomorrow, Nzai will be a leader, I'll be a leader, anyone can be a leader tomorrow. If you do not settle for quality today, I can tell you, even tomorrow if you are a leader,